Here it's kind of like sunny and warm, but if you go underneath this trellis, it's so relaxing. See the difference? It's shaded and you have this gorgeous, you have a view of these gorgeous grapes. These are blueberry grapes because they look like blueberries. Look at those. Beautiful, right? And then, look at this. We have a lot of grapes that are ready. Let me try one. This is super ready. It's like super dark now. Very sweet and juicy. And more here. The ones under here are actually more ripe. Then if you go under here, oh, there's a big one over there. You see? That one is huge. Let me check. See? Oh yeah. Very beautiful. Sometimes you don't want to like harvest them because it's really nice to look at them hanging in the grapevine. And the thing is, like around this time, a lot of fruits are ready. So we have these grapes, we have the apricots, we have the peaches, and we have the nectar plum, and then the tomatoes and the cucumbers. So there are a lot of like vegetables and fruits to eat in the garden. And like it's really nice, like when you look at them like that against the light, you could see the color, the different colors. I'll just harvest the like super ripe ones like this. Look at this, beautiful. And this one too. Where is the main one? Where is this coming from? Maybe here. Yes. Maybe, where is this coming from? Oh, there you go. It only like... Here you go. This one is for later.